I wanted to give you a quick update on the beneficial ownership information reporting that is due through the FinCEN website because of what's called the CTA, the corporate, the Corporate Transparency Act. A lot of people have been asking me, messaging me, what's the status of this? Am I going to get $500 a day fine if I don't register on the FinCEN website? So I want to share some insight that we've learned over the last couple weeks, and I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so I can actually walk you through the website itself. This is the FinCEN website, fincen.gov/BOI, beneficial ownership information. And so what we have here is there's a notice right on the front page. Okay, there's several notices, right? This is where you would typically go to file your BOI report. But there's some notices here that talk about ongoing litigation. Now, instead of going ahead and reading this whole entire thing, I have some software that went ahead and gave us the talking points. So I want to just briefly go over the talking points with you. As of January 20th, 2025, okay, the inauguration day, President Trump just got sworn into office. It's a good day for America, by the way. The current status of the BOI is on pause, okay? Due to recent federal court order, several companies have filed some type of injunction, which means they temporarily paused this from going through. So it's actually a nationwide pause that's been put on the BOI, right? There's some notes here that says court injunction and appeals. The District Court of the Eastern District of Texas issued a nationwide preliminary injunction, kind of just put the brakes on there and paused it, which affects reporting obligations under the CTA, okay? The Department of Justice is currently appealing and it's appealing this injunction, this pause, and trying to reinforce this requirement to go ahead and have small businesses. If you have an LLC, doesn't matter when it was from, if you have an LLC, you're required by law to go ahead and file information ownership information, beneficial ownership information. If you're owner of the business, whether full owner, 50% owner, 33% owner, doesn't matter. You have to file this information, your name, your address, phone number, all that information. The federal government, their goal is, this is the goal. This is why they want to do this. They're trying to combat illicit financial threats, bad actors going into the system from overseas, starting LLCs, running fraudulent businesses here, and taking a lot of money and then shutting down their business or filing bankruptcy or whatever the case may be. So they're trying to basically say, voluntarily, if you fill out this information, you're good to go. But if those bad actors don't want to give up their information, they don't end up filing, they're going to get a $500 penalty per day, up to $10,000 and potentially 2 years jail time. Now that's people are freaking out about that because it's essentially a reach on their privacy. It's an encroachment on their privacy. And so they're not about that. So you can go to the fincen.gov/BOI website. You can go ahead and read the entire press release, but I gave you basically the important parts. It's currently on pause. You do not have to file any information on the FinCEN website as of now, January 20, 2025. Okay. Don't worry. You're not going to get any fines. If they do change this and actually put it back into law, I get regular updates. I'll make sure that I jump on here and go ahead and give you that update. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just look up Mark Cassara on YouTube. If you're on Facebook, go ahead and head over to YouTube and subscribe. We're going to be giving regular updates on this, on some tax implications coming forward in the new year, on some executive orders that Trump is going to be pushing forward. And we're going to be doing regular updates just to keep our community up to date. I do have a private community on School. It's $5 per month. It's super, super cheap. It's a coffee per month. If you want to join that, I give a little bit of more in-depth research and analysis and strategies when it comes to finances, business, and a few other things. So I'll stick a link in the comment section or the description section of these videos. Okay. With that being said, guys, I appreciate you hopping on with me for a few short minutes. If you have any questions or comments about this, just let me know in the comment section of these videos. I'll go ahead and make sure that I address those questions. And as always, I appreciate you. 2025 is going to be an incredible year. Live loud, laugh louder, and learn to be a better you. I appreciate you guys. God bless, and we'll talk soon. See you in the next video.